She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste.
Hi guys, here's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make pasta salad. Guys, this is gonna be so creamy, so flavorful, and so delicious. Please give this video a thumbs up. Go and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Guys, if you share my video, it helps my channel to grow. Please do share it, guys. I appreciate it very much. I thank you all so much in advance. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you all been blessed by it as I read it. It says from John 10 verse 10. So it said, "The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I have come that they may have life and have it to the full." Amen. So guys, I pray that you all is blessed by this verse. Remember that Jesus Christ loved you so much. That's the reason why he came into this world, so we can have life and have it more abundantly. I love you all. Stay tuned for the video. God bless. So guys, now I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. So I'm gonna start off with my sweet pepper, bell peppers. This is just half that I cut. As you can see, I cut it, really small. I have the red and I also have the yellow. Okay, I also have some heavy cream, and this is at least 1 cup, and this is just gonna allow it to be nice and creamy. This is some cream cheese, and this is at least half cup of my cream cheese, half cup to 1 cup. Okay, yes. I also have some mixed vegetable, and this is just over 1 cup. Some good old mayonnaise, and this is over 1 cup. I'm also gonna add some bacon, some smoked bacon. Yeah, this is the amount that I'm gonna use. You can use as much as you like. Some scallion, 1 stalk of scallion that I cut also. Some red onion. People say a red onion, but it look like purple. So guys, this is half of onion. Okay, you can also use white onion, and I finely cut it. Yeah. And this is my pasta, and I'm using the pasta twist. And this is the pack that the pasta came in. Yeah, 1 pack of these. So guys, to my pot I add some water from the kettle, hot water. Just add enough water so your pasta will cook nicely. Okay, then I also add some olive oil and at least 1 teaspoon of salt. But guys, please make sure the pasta cook for at least 8 minutes. Try not to overcook your pasta, because you don't want it to be super soft. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna give it a stir so everything will all combine. And now I'm gonna add my pasta. And guys, remember not to make your pasta to overcook. Okay, you don't want it to be super soft.
Cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms.
So now guys, I'm just gonna off cover my pot so it doesn't boil over, so stay tuned. So guys, my pasta is all finished, and it's been cooking for 6 minutes. Yes, I did say 8 minutes, but guys, I realized it was getting too soft, so I have to turn off my stove. So I'm just using my hand just to test and see how soft my pasta is. Do not do this at home. So what you want to do, guys, you want to just remove all the water. Okay, remove all the excess water and just leave it to the side. So now guys, I'm gonna fry my bacon. So to my pot, I add at least 1 tablespoon of my olive oil, and my stove is on a medium to high heat, okay? Now I'm just gonna add my bacon. Make sure that your oil and your pot is already heating up, okay? So here I have at least 2 to 3 garlic. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my hair fryer because I'm gonna roast my garlic. You can also put it in your oven, okay? So I'm just gonna add, just a little olive oil. And what that does is gonna allow the garlic, the shell to come out, quickly. Yes, so as you can see, I'm just wrapping it up. So my bacon is nice and crispy. So now I'm just gonna remove it. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna saute my mixed vegetable, and I'm just gonna saute it just for at least 1 minute, okay? Now I'm just gonna remove it now. So guys, this is just a bowl that I have, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna firstly add my heavy cream. Then I'm gonna add my mayonnaise.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm.
Cream cheese. This is my garlic that I roast in my hair fryer. Just gonna remove it. See how soft it is? That's exactly what you want. Very soft. So I remove it from the peel. Just, mash it out. Perfect. At least 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. Small amount of my all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have all-purpose seasoning, you can also use a bit of Cajun seasoning. That will work well also. Gonna add my sweet pepper. And just some of my mixed vegetable. My onions. Just gonna mix it all in. Smoked paprika. And now I'm gonna add my pasta. Guys, this recipe is gonna be so delicious. So nice, so creamy. Cannot wait for you guys to try it. Gonna add just a pinch of my salt. That's it. Just gonna take your time and just mix it in. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. I'm gonna add my spring onions, some of my remaining mixed vegetable that leave back, just a little bit of my sweet pepper that leave back also, onions, and I'm also gonna add my bacon. Look at that, guys, absolutely delicious. So now, guys, as you can see, I'm just plating up my pasta salad. Honestly, it came out perfect. It tastes absolutely delicious. You and your entire family, your friend, everyone is gonna enjoy this recipe. Please comment below and let me know if you try this recipe. And also, guys, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more amazing recipes like these. And share it, guys. Share it. I thank you all so much in advance. Gonna top it up with some of my mixed vegetable. Oh, for nice, presentation. I'm also gonna add a bit of my sweet pepper that I leave back, and this is just for presentation, guys. It's totally optional. And of course, my bacon. Lastly, some scallion. This is gonna be the best pasta salad you're gonna ever have. It is super delicious. It came out perfect, guys. Perfect. I mean, just look at the color. It is so yummy, and it looks super delicious. Just take a good look, guys, and see how nice and creamy my pasta salad look. I'm telling you, it is super yummy. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all.